Residence Forum, Coxtown, Bangalore. Vigil on 14th June 2025 at 6:30 p.m. at Dr. Rajkumar Statue, Coxtown Circle, to pay tribute to the victims of the recent air crash in Ahmedabad. Residents joined in solidarity, holding candles and observing a moment of silence to honor the lives lost and express condolences to the bereaved families. Surendra Ravi, Bhartingarh Residence Forum.